Welcome to day 5 of the vlog. Today I'm going to be making some lemon muffins. Muffins are an easy thing to make to go with a meal, especially if you're in a hurry, which is often around here on the farm. So I hope you enjoy them. First we are going to take our sugar and our lemon zest and put them in the food processor. Now we are going to turn it on until it is well combined. Next, we are going to add our eggs. And our lemon juice. And melted butter. And turn it on again. Now that that is well combined, we are going to add our vanilla and our milk. And we are going to mix it one last time. In a separate bowl, we are now going to add our flour, and our baking soda, salt, and baking powder. Once you have finished mixing together your flour, we're going to make a well in the center. Now we are going to pour our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients into the well. Stir it together until it is well combined. Be careful not to overmix because otherwise your muffins will turn out funky. I have preheated my oven to 425 degrees. Now I am going to put my batter into my greased muffin tins. The muffins have been in the oven for 5 minutes, so now we are going to turn the temperature down to 350 and set the timer for another 13 minutes. All right, I just took them out of the oven. They cooked for a little bit less than I thought they would, so I took them out after 10 minutes instead of 13. They look gorgeous. My muffins have cooled, so I have taken them out of the pans. I also have made a lemon glaze using powdered sugar and lemon juice, and now I am going to put it on my muffins.